We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to fight here to stay above 30 cents in a tight consolidation. And it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 10:35 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 200% plus within hours, guys. And as you see, they're popping up within the screen, within the options chain. Some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with MULLEN stock fighting to stay above 30 cents. The bulls are putting up a fight, and in today's video we're going to talk about the inflow versus outflows. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our Discord and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bear indicator at 8:45 a.m. and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision into the bell and after the bell, and put options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. doing a full transition from red bars to bright green on 42 vision, and now back down from bright green into red bars. If this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm gonna pull up here, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation, which gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. under a bull indicator here at around 32 cents. And very interesting enough, it found support in today's volatility, trying to bounce back off of it. And again here towards the end of the day, but outflows have crossed, guys, on the 30-minute chart. And if we go ahead and zoom out here on the 1 hour, we could see that the outflows have been dominating all this time, even though it's bounced up from 27 cents, and even in the last run from 20 cents back here on December 28th, followed by that bull indicator and full strength there on 42 vision, all the way up to the peak of 47 cents. You could see it there. Outflows have dominated, and this is very crucial to go ahead and not ignore, because we want these inflows to at least try to pick up and switch from red to green on the 1 hour, and even if they do not cross the midpoint, to start coming up towards it. But we're still under a bull indicator. We do have green bars, no red bars just yet, and there is a staircase effect here so far, but it needs to continue. If it goes ahead and gets a bear indicator that cancels out this bull indicator or some red bars here, well, outflows are already dominating, and it could quickly start to have weight over the chart and pull things back down. I would not ignore that. Now, if we go ahead and look at this on the 30-minute, we could see we're under a bull indicator since Friday. We're bouncing off key support levels there, but if you zoom in and we look at this on the 15 minute within the volatility, we could see the upswings and the downswings. We are under a bear indicator here at around 33 cents. It's tried fighting to get back up towards 34-35 cents on Friday and today, and the outflows are dominating, guys. It had very short-lived upswings to the upside above it, but it's crossed right back down 2 times, and those were the 2 drops that we've had so far. So it's going to be crucial and critical here for this bear indicator within the volatility to get canceled, and that these inflows pick back up and cross over that midpoint. I will be watching that very carefully, and if it does, well, we want it to pull away from the midpoint, and once it does, some of that strength could start reflecting into the chart, because both times it crossed over, you could see the strength there from 32 cents to 33, almost 34. Same thing here from around 31, 32 all the way up to 33.5. So when these inflows do cross, the strength tends to reflect into the charts pretty quickly. So something to not ignore. Now, when we zoom back out and look at this on the 30 minute, we could see that it's still under a bull indicator, no bear indicator. The 15 minute is experiencing a lot more volatility, but if that weakness rolls over and those outflows continue to pull away, and this stays below the midpoint even longer, and it does not cross back up, well, eventually that weakness and those outflows can end up reflecting into the chart pretty quickly and testing support levels and eventually canceling out this bull indicator by a possible bear indicator. I would not ignore that, but what is it that I would watch here? Well, if these outflows continue below the midpoint, the first support is 32 cents. Then below that is the 30-cent area. It's been bouncing off of it and trying to stay above it. And then if 30 cents gets broken through, then comes 28 to 27 cent area, where that last bull indicator popped up as well. And when the inflows started to pick up on January 25th. Now, we want these inflows to pick up with it, guys. That is going to be crucial for that strength to reflect into the chart and start trying to retest key resistance levels and keep this bull indicator with the strength over the chart. I would be watching that very closely, and if the 15 minute can have that strength reflect into the chart as well, followed by the strength of the 30 minute and that 1 hour, we want this to switch from red to green, and even if it doesn't cross the midpoint, to start pulling up towards it. Now, what's the first resistance level? Well, I would first watch 34 cents, and then above that comes 35 cents. That's going to be a crucial level there within that tight range of 1 cent, because that's where the 2 rejections after this bull indicator popped up have happened, and where it actually tried to come back up from this dip area of 31 to 30 cent area, trying to get strength back up here on the 30-minute time frame. And if that's accomplished and these inflows start to pick up and they go higher than 0.0157, which is the highest that it hit that date on Friday, and the bull indicator continues and that staircase effect continues, well, the next resistance would be up towards 36 to 38 cent area, and then I would watch closely the 40 cent area. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.